Barcelonan who came here 3 years and a half ago. Currently an associate brand manager in a pharmaceutical company, which basically means I manage marketing for a product. So my background is in environmental biology. I did a BSc in the Autonomous University of Barcelona for 4 years in environmental biology. So when I finished about it, I wanted to try my skills, and I did a placement as a research technician in the University of Nottingham. So came from Spain to the UK for 3 months to practice what I've learned during the 4 years. After studying for my degree in Barcelona in environmental biology, I considered I was going to move forward onto a PhD route. For my surprise, it wasn't what I wanted to do or what I was passionate about. Therefore, I decided to study an MSc in Applied Biopharmaceutical, Biotechnology and Entrepreneurship. So my thought process at the beginning is because I was passionate about nature, animals and science in general, I wanted to perform later on as such. So I wanted to maybe be a researcher, study a PhD, etc. And that is why I chose the BSc in Environmental Biology initially. However, when I put this thought into practice and I started working as a research technician in the labs, I realized that maybe it wasn't what was going to make me happy in the future. So I then thought, what can I do differently, or how can I support my current knowledge and studies with another area that will complement it and will support me to go to another direction in my career. I also always thought that I would like to be more involved in business, so that's how I chose my MSc and how I then decided to perform as a marketeer later on. So when I finished my degree, I planned to move to the UK because I wanted to improve my English or start learning English, really. So of course that was a major challenge. I maybe didn't think that much at the beginning when I came here, but definitely one that I would recommend to anyone, because the fact of moving from Spain to the UK, starting a new skill development plus in a new language, it's an amazing thing to do, but also it's something that is not impossible. So I came to the UK without being proficient or even having a basic English, and I learned throughout the experience of meeting my friends, being in university, doing my coursework with my teachers, professors, etc. And it's something that everyone can do, really, so highly recommend. So about career support during university, one thing I noticed is what my mentors, professors, etc. were talking more about was always careers orientated to research or education. That were the ones that would be more directly linked to my studies, to environmental biology. However, one recommendation I would give is to keep your mind open and broad to explore other career opportunities that you could follow based on your skill set, because science is something that can help in many other disciplines. Doesn't need to be necessarily research or education. You can go to business, to marketing, etc. So yes, the support I received in Spain in environmental biology in the BSc was way more focused towards research and education, whereas in the MSc, because it was more mixed discipline of business and science, was towards both of them, and they gave you equal knowledge around different career options that you could choose later on. So yes, very much depending on the university and the degree that you choose, the support during uni changed.